Hello everyone, Marlon here, your friend on credit and finances. And today I just want to share a few tips with you that has helped hundreds of people improve their credit scores. But first of all, let's understand why this is possible. Section 609 of the Fair Credit Reporting Act was put in place to protect us as consumers for unfair practices from the credit bureaus. It allows us to dispute and correct any information that is not reporting accurately, timely, or verifiable. And like I mentioned before, 1 out of 5 consumers have errors on the credit report, guys, which is a lot. In most cases, people don't even know about. Let's put it this way. Imagine you being accused for killing someone that you never killed and being in prison for 30 years because of that. How would you feel? Horrible, right? Yeah, this happens to many of us in the credit world by paying high interest rates, costing us thousands of dollars because of errors that we did not make. That's not fair. So here are 3 tips from our free ebook that you can start implementing today. Tip number 1, removing or correcting errors from your credit report. Tip number 2, add some secure credit to your credit report, like secure credit cards or secure personal loans. Tip number 3, add yourself as an authorized user on a family member's credit card. Make sure that it has a low balance and good payment history. And many more that you are going to receive for free in this ebook. Remember, guys, having bad credit is affecting a lower quality of life at a more expensive price tag. So, to receive our free ebook, 101 tips to improve your credit score, go ahead and click the Get My Free ebook today button below.